Therefore, the privileges and context will not be present. But as far as the implementation is today, right, even on a removed group, you locally have your history available. It's just how Wire works today.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks, Sergey. So I think now we have Dmitry from our iOS team to showcase the UI improvement.
Hello guys. So let me share screen. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Perfect. So yeah, today I will show you a couple of things that we made to improve UI. So I'll start with header improvement. So if you go to a conversation, there is new header. So the header improvements consists of a couple of things. First is a bit of UI change. So for example, for one-on-one conversation, we added the avatar. So for the ones who has just photo, we show photo. And for the ones who doesn't have, we just show initials. And also header improvement consists of the changes in the behavior. So for example, before we had this search button here on the top left, but now it's moved to the menu. So when you tap on the header, there is a menu. Now it has only two items, search and conversation details. So basically it shows same details, same screens it was before, but with using different approach. So for now it only two, but later would be one. Also in the header improvement, it was updated the button. So now you can see only one video button. Before it was audio and video button. And when you call it, it starts not the video call, but audio call. And if user wants to upgrade audio call to video call, he can do it through interface. Yeah, also I will show you that header same updates, it supports live updates. So for example, if I go to settings and I change the accent color, so as you can see, there is avatar changed, and also same changes here in the history. The name is different. Yeah, same works for the avatar. For example, let me switch account. Yeah, if you go there, update avatar to something else, it updates in the header and in the conversation. Yeah, that's all about the header improvements. Then I'll show you the improvements that we made with swipes. So first we added swipe to reply. So you have a message, you can swipe. There is standard iOS controls that you can just tap and then you can basically add some reply. So previously you had long press and reply. Now it's much easier to access. You just swipe. You can also swipe all the way to the right, so it will do it right away. If not all the way, you just can just slide a little bit, then you have the button, you can tap on it, and then you reply. You can also swipe on reply on the images, files. Basically behavior is the same. Also, next thing that we added is swipe to React. So previously if you want to edit some reactions, you can long press and then you can see some most common used reactions. Also you can open this image emoji pickers. So, but now with a swipe, it's much easier, same behavior. You can just swipe, get access to the speaker, and then, yeah, do whatever you want, react whichever you want. yes, that's it for the swipes. And one last thing that I will show you, it's about the collapsing messages. So right now it's in progress, so it's not fully completed. So for example, now we added the option in settings. It's called collapse on messages. So if it's enabled, the messages that you send will be collapsed. So for now, it's only file message supports it. So it's like the first message type that implemented. So as you can see here, I shared the file, and instead of showing its content, it's just like smaller piece. So you can tap on it, and it's expanded. And then if you want to collapse it, you just long press, and there is option to collapse. Yeah. Also, you can react, double tap, interact the same way as usual cells. Yeah. I guess, yeah, that's all from my side. Let me know if you have any questions. If not, then I'll pass to next one.